Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable startup programs or apps inside Windows 11. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into the video. Right, in your taskbar, type in Task Manager and then go ahead and click into Task Manager. And then from here you'll be brought to this page of Task Manager. And then on the left hand side on these tabs, look for where it says startup. So here, startup apps. So now you can click here where it says status. So I've sorted it out from enabled to disabled. So from here upwards are all my apps or programs that start up when my PC starts up. So if I want to disable any one of these, so for example, lively wallpapers, I'm going to click onto it. And then where it says enable, I'm going to right click it and click on disabled. And now that has been disabled. But if you want to re-enable it, right click and then click on enable. But I'm going to leave that disabled, I don't want that enabled. Another way to do this is to close out of this, go to settings on your PC. Click onto settings. And then once this loads up, you want to click onto apps here. And then where it says startup, click onto startup. And as it says here, apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, app will start minimized or may only start a background task. So if you want to disable or enable any one of these, just toggle this on to off. So if I want to disable BlueStack services, I want to toggle that to off. CC Cleaner off. So I'm just going to go through. I haven't done this in a while. Microsoft Edge off. OneDrive off, Teams, phone link, mobile devices, I'm just going to keep that on, widget launcher, keep that on. So yeah, you can disable and enable your startups from here as well. Nothing can be more annoying when you've got a million different apps or programs starting up when your Windows starts up, may I add. Alright, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.